Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix Play Store not working on Motorola G37 Power. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. Scroll down and click on see all apps. Scroll down and click on Google Play Store and click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache Play Store app. After you clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your network. After check your network, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so restart from just click and hold side power button and volume up button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.